Hello, welcome to my channel, 2 Minutes Concepts. I am Dr. Shoaib Masood. Today we will discuss the different causes of chest pain. Chest pain is pain or discomfort in the chest, typically the front of the chest. It can occur anywhere from the upper part of the abdomen to the lower part of the neck, and it can have many different causes. So, the clinical features and the exact site can help you differentiate the underlying cause of pain. Here we will discuss the different causes of chest pain and also the clinical features of each cause, which will help you in doing relevant examination and making perfect diagnosis. The most serious and relatively common cause is coronary artery disease. In coronary artery disease, pain is substernal and radiates to arm, shoulder, or jaw. It is precipitated by exertion due to high demand of blood in the body, and relieved by rest or nitroglycerin, which dilates blood vessels. Chest pain may be due to pulmonary or pleuritic disease, such as pleurisy, pneumonia, pericarditis, or pulmonary embolism. There is sharp or stabbing pain which becomes worse with inspiration. In pericarditis, the pain becomes worse when lying flat. In pulmonary embolism and pneumothorax, respiratory distress and hypoxia is seen. Another cause of chest pain is aortic dissection or intramural hematoma. There is presence of sudden, severe tearing pain which radiates to the back. It commonly occurs in elderly men. It may be due to gastrointestinal or esophageal disease. The pain is non-exertional and relieved by antacids. It is usually in the upper abdominal and substernal region. It is associated with regurgitation, nausea, and dysphagia. And the distinguishing feature is nocturnal pain, means the pain during night. Chest pain may be due to any damage or disease of the chest wall, which includes the skin, muscles, or bones of the chest. The pain is usually persistent and prolonged, and become worse with movement or change in position due to movement of muscles. It often follows repetitive activity. Careful medical history and physical examination is essential in separating dangerous from trivial causes of disease. Management of chest pain is based on the underlying cause. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.